Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we demonstrate the process of a CNC cutting machine, cutting a large gear with a diameter of 250 millimeter. Below are some advantages of the CNC cutting machine. Product consistency. Multiple electric heating wires can be cut at the same time, improving cutting efficiency. The automation characteristics of the CNC cutting machine help to ensure the quality and consistency of the products. Quick adjustment. The CNC cutting machine can quickly change the cutting of products of different shapes and sizes by switching drawings, which makes the production process more efficient and can respond quickly to customer needs. Next, let's continue to watch the cutting process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.